Hello YouTube, in this video we will try to solve problem installing updates. Hello YouTube, now we'll try to solve this problem installing updates with this code error. First we will try the basics like troubleshoot. We'll go for additional troubleshoots and we'll go for Windows update. Run troubleshoot. Now it will check and detecting the problems. Okay, close. Let's update and try again. Okay, now again it did not solve. Troubleshoot did not solve the problem. Now we will try another method by manually resize the partition by 250 megabytes. I will put this link from Microsoft in the description so you can read more and understand the summary. So now we'll try this method and hopefully it will work for us. So first click on the icon of Windows and choose Windows PowerShell admin. Yes, okay. Now we'll try the codes. First code. As you can see here, the Windows recovery location is in hard disk 0, partition 4. We'll disable. Okay, successful. We go for disk parts. List disk. Okay, as you can see here, I have only disk 0, and here it's hard disk 0. And then select disk 0. List parts. As you can see here, my recovery is in partition 4, as it shows here, and my primary is partition 3. Now we will select the partition 3, the primary. Select parts 3. It's selected. Now type the code. Shrink desired 250, the minimum 250 megabyte. Click enter. Okay. Now we select the recovery partition. Select parts 4. Now we have to delete it. Delete partition, override. Okay, now it's done. Now we need to create a new recovery partition. Okay, so to do that, we need to know what's our hard disk is GPT or MBR. If you want to know more about it, I will put the link in the description to know the difference between them. Anyway, so we will type list disk. As you can see here, GPT, my hard disk is GPT. We will type the code, enter. Okay, and then it's done. For those who have MBR, they need to write the other code I will put in the description. Okay, now we create the partition. Okay, now we type this code, format quick, 100% completed. Okay, it's done. So now to confirm that we created the partition for recovery, list volume, and here we create it. So we're done with the disk part. So exit, and now we have to enable. Okay, successful. Okay, so now we'll check again. So now we created a new partition for recovery. So we see now if that will work or no. Now we'll see if it will install now. It's done, as you can see. So this method worked. I will put all the links and the codes on description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.